Hey guys, my friends over at Immi sent me a box of their ramen noodles. So I actually tried some out. So far, I've had the spicy beef and the black garlic chicken, and I'd like to give you guys my recipe. So I've got a packet of Immi black garlic chicken ramen noodles, and I am going to crunch the noodles. I know, blasphemous. But this is the old Fry family ramen noodle recipe. My parents actually tricked us into thinking that ramen noodles were a delicacy, so we'd see TV and people be eating lobster and we'd be like, ha, those losers, they don't even have noodles. Take 1 egg and beat it in a bowl. I actually did this well on camera for a change. We bring 2 cups of water to a boil and pour in our noodles. We add our egg, our flavor packet, and we try not to make a mess because Immi gives you twice the seasoning as the other brand. Old Fry family trick over here. Put an ice cube in the bowl. Since I'm serving noodles for one, I'm not going to waste a ladle, and I'm just going to use a regular spoon to put this soup in a bowl. Immi noodles are plant-based, packed with protein and fiber. This is a dish that will fill you up. My viewers can get $5 off their purchase at immieats.com using my promo code FRY at checkout.